Hey, Lainey, those are those white leather ones that you got from the Six.
Mom said no.
Really?
Yeah. But Mom said I can wear these because they're soft. Yeah. Right. Okay. They do it for you.
Your speaker's down too. Your speaker's down. Your speaker's down. Look at your speaker. Oh, look at your microphone. Your microphone. Yeah.
Parker rocks! Parker rocks! Parker! Go, Parker, go! Get baby, I'll play like this! Baby, come on with it! Come on with it! Now, look to the world, dude! Look to the world! Look at it right there! Do it, do it, do it, do it! Look at... Say, oh yeah! It's okay. Take the lead.